Geopolitical tensions and advancements in non-conventional weaponry are a real threat for a weaponized EMP attack. Then we also have the peak solar cycle that we're in right now, which can cause a CME. And of course, natural disasters and cybersecurity threats. That's why I'm showing you this grab and go electronics setup. The items that need to be shielded are in Faraday bags or jackets from Faraday Defense. And I've got everything in this packout case that's mountable. It's easy to move around. Okay, I want to review what I've got in here. Remember, the contents in here are electronics. This is a grab and go emergency electronics kit.